What's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform from where you can generate best return in the future. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, because it's perfect idea. You will be updated with the upcoming videos also. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate best return and you can enjoy that, and it's perfect game for you, so you can join that. So here's a detail given, and please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how you can join that. The name of this platform is Alien Worlds. So basically, it's a unique experience, a new experience, and I'm sure you will enjoy this experience. And beyond the mining, and you can see here the future of the Alien Worlds gaming. So I will discuss step by step, and I will guide you how you can jump in and how you can enjoy the party. And there are plenty of benefits are available, plenty of efforts are available. So it's a perfect idea to study all the details here. So you can see here new world mining features, community created mission control. Since Alien Worlds was first introduced, the mining you have played and suggests role in the overall player experience. Next, you can see Kevin Walls Hub Creator Program. Next, you can see Mission Control Outpost Builders. And next, I will show you the detail about the Chinese community engagement and program. So basically, I was discussing with the team, and looks to me that it's perfect for you. So I decided to introduce that. So built by the community and Alien Worlds ability explore like you, and here what the member of the community are building, hosting and playing. So what kind of game is there? You can see here the season 2 of the Battle Dome is live. Earn weekly reward, and you can see here compete for your share of newly added Trilium prizes. So you can get more prizes from here. Next, you can see mission control. Next is the lands details are there. And next is the mission control weekly guest games, where player earn and merchant Trilium and prizes for the participation. So next you can see here mine on the just earn NFTs in this ongoing Circus Dams event, and the first 10 players mine each of the get free NFT. So you can get free NFT also, and it's a perfect opportunity to get free NFTs. And how you can get free NFT: if you jumped in, be the first one, so you can get more NFTs. Collect and play with the NFTs. So how you will collect NFTs and how you will play that. So all the details is mentioned here. You can see here alien NFTs can be used to build the game application, even the experience, and kickstart your collection of NFT to get started. Next, you can see here the fungible token that power Alien World. So basically what it is, so fungible tokens make power to the game also. Next, NFT items. You can see items help you to negotiate at the metaverse. You can collect exquisite avatars and weapons, tools and more. So by using these NFTs, you can buy these kind of weapons to play that. So it's perfect. Next, virtual land, and how you can get virtual land. So it's so simple. Only 3 land and NFT was created. Each T element every time. Explore mine on your land. So here's the detail how you can buy the land. And next you can see is the detail about the hub. You can easily get more information about that. And need help, and if you have any kind of questions and queries, so you can get help about getting started guide, next knowledge about this, and submit a ticket. You can submit ticket also and get more information regarding this platform. Okay, next, if you scroll down a bit, so you can see here they have a very strong partners community. So none of the project can be successful without active and strong partners so standing behind that particular platform, and looks to me this platform can achieve the place it deserves, so wish them best of luck. So here you can see the partners are there, and very strong partners like CoinGecko, Binance, CoinMarketCap, and you can see all famous partners are there. Next, you can see here Aaron World is the founding member of OMA3. So next you can see here's OMA3 is a collaboration of Web3 metaverse platform creators that ensure the virtual land and digital asset ideas and services highly interoperable and transparent, and OMA3 is open to all Web3 metaverse builders. So it's open for all, so you can visit more and stay up to date on everything Alien Words, so you can join them, you can mail them, so all details are there. So links are mentioned. I will post all the links in the description, and if you have any question, you can get the answer of a question by joining their community. It's very important to join their community. When you join their community, you will become the member of their community, and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this platform. So I provide you all the details. I will post all the links in description, and if you have any question, so you can get the answer of your question at the same time. And next, I will show you the more information about that. You can see here the details are there. Your gateway to the metaverse. You can see here Galactic hubs. You can see here apply now for the nuts and watch the video, and the video will guide you how it basically works. So here it is. You can watch the video also and get more information regarding this platform, right? So this is a detail about this platform, and I'm sure you briefly understand about that, right? So this was the detail. Next you can see the blogs. So let's discuss about the blogs details. So here's the blogs informations are there, alien news, and next you can see the different blogs details are there, gameplay and tokenized lore is here. Let's build the next iconic transited for features, and next mining you can see masterclass, all information are there. So you can load more also, and next once again if you have any question and query, so you can jump in and you can get the answer of your question at the same time. So you can see here play and earn reward. You can easily play that and get more reward from here. It's a perfect opportunity for you guys. You can easily play that, so it's so simple to play, and you can log in and you can easily play that. So you can see here different characters and available for you, and you can see here you can select your weapons and each and everything. So all details are mentioned here, and if you have any question and query, so you can contact with the team, and they will reply you as soon as possible. So hope for the best. I provide you all the details, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding this platform. So hope for the best, guys. So we'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.